What is going on, guys? It's your boy Crypto C's. I'm gonna go over some of our success, guys. We're gonna be launching very soon, very soon. So just wanted to come on here and tell you guys what's up. So when we launch, it's gonna be subscription based. We're gonna offer forex, stock, and crypto education, some live trading services, accreditation, like an actual university where you guys can take quiz, test, everything. We want to make sure that you guys are actually retaining it. We'll also offer one-on-one time you guys could purchase. We have an office in Orlando, so we actually are throwing a little event today at the office. So we have about 7, 8, or 9, yeah, between 7 or 8, I believe, members that are coming. One of our educators actually driving up from South Florida. Shout out Jarrell. But we're gonna go over some of these crypto gains, guys. So I just put up a post. Some of these call outs we haven't been making in the channel because we're getting everything streamlined, we're getting everything in process, but also we're doing it for free right now. So not everything was being given out. So this is something that I recently got in, and I didn't particularly like the name. I just don't like Doge. Everyone's using Doge, but there are some good coins in Doge. So this one ripped for over 18x, guys. So we're gonna have like a spam call out. So we'll have the ones that we're doing now, but we're also gonna have pretty much where you guys can take risks just like we do, on smaller amounts and make good money. On this one, I might have put in like $50, $60, and it's over 1,000, and it just launched a day ago, like 24 hours. This one over here, one of our members, this was a call out Alpha Star. One of our members was able to get in the pre-sale. He put in about 1,000, and it's over $20,000. I'm not sure where it's at right now, but you can see this absolutely parabolic moves. I recently spoke at a crypto conference. So if you guys are here from the crypto conference, we networked with a lot of people. Shout out to you guys. We'll be back December 9th down in Delray Beach, Baby Fort Knox. There's a lot of wins. It's hard to keep up with. FESBNB is still kind of recovering, so that one did not take off. Kind of shot down from pre-sale, but we are getting rewards, and I do believe in it longer term. Nevada flavors. We got several. GMR was one of my first call outs. We got that. I believe one of the members actually just came in. What's up? What's up? So if you guys see here, we'll post our videos. We do technical analysis as well. We've been trading and learning charts and stuff like that since 2013. So Dox is at the peak, I believe, was like a 33x. So this is going over Fez. And as you see in our callouts, guys, we actually give a score out of 10 based on a few factors: the community, the team, safety, features, all that good stuff. So we also include some information about the projects, the Telegram, the website, if there's an audit, all that good stuff, right? And with some of these projects, we do have partnerships, and we'll do videos, and we're investing in all these projects ourselves. So we're not just getting paid to throw garbage at anyone. When we launch, we're going to have 2 calendars. So there's going to be the one calendar for the free channel, which will have stuff on it, but it'll probably have 80% less. And then once things come out already, we'll let people know about them and they can get in. But there's a lot of work. We got to pay people. We got a team. So we want to make sure those that see the value in this. I mean, imagine you're getting in one of these calls a month. You turn $100 and you get an 18x like the one I just said. That's $1,800, right? Even after taxes, all that, $1,500, right? It's well worth the investment on one call, right? We got some peg here. Let's all simp over 18x. Bitrise is our top one right now. It's over 200x. Doge House is blew up. It kind of fell down, and now it's kind of going up again. Again, we provide technical analysis on the major coins too: Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, all that good stuff. Going over the charts in depth. So it's not just one side of the story. We're also going over news articles, updates, things like that. We also have our own blockchain developer, Jose Analytico, where he teaches us how to protect coins, understanding blockchain in and out. So everyone on the team has something that they bring different. We also have a whole class schedule. So with the subscription, you're going to get everything that we have to offer. So we'll have a more robust class schedule. We have live training where you guys can hop on Zoom, ask questions, not just necessarily you don't have to listen and take notes. So we have another one here, 10x on launch, 10 to 20x on launch here. Several gains, guys. We do have our losses from time to time, but we do employ a strict risk to reward regimen, right? So here we had a good launches here. These are some long-term plays. Utopia, you can see is a 9. Parabolic went obviously parabolic. It was one of our good call outs. It went over, I believe, 12x. And we provide updates as well. So, this is something for you guys to look forward to. 133% after launch. Go here. And also, you see in the pinned here, we teach you how to understand like what are the private sales, pre-sales, fair launches. So if you guys are just seeing this video, whether it be on YouTube, Facebook, wherever it is, we specialize in getting in opportunities at the ground floor. Could we buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these coins that have been out for a long time, Shiba? We could, but we want to get in, below $1 million market cap. Really is our goal. Some of them, those bigger projects, they might be like 2 million, 3 million when they start out, but typically we'd like to try to get in at a low market cap and ride it to $1 billion, because that's how you'll be able to turn, $100 into 10,000, 50,000, crazy amounts. Just, a little bit of information about, some of the projects that we've been getting in, and you can see all of these charts, man. We do our research. We take a lot of time and a lot of pride and joy going over the stuff, and this is a passion, right? This is not something that we're just doing for the money. It's not something that we're purely just trying to pump some stuff on people's throats. This is why we've done this for free since March or so. I didn't do it necessarily in this channel. This channel started, I think, back in June-ish, July-ish, something like that, as far as the channel. But outside of that, we are looking to provide value. So, several different things. I just wanted to kind of go over this, guys. I have people here out of state flying in to learn from us, to get their wallet set up, to learn our Forex strategy. A lot of stuff, man. So it's very dope. We got a lot of different types of content, millionaire mindset. So there's a lot of things that go into play with this. You can make a lot of money, but not know what to do with it when you get it. So, we're going to have a lot of services as well, as far as getting your credit repaired, getting funding. There's even funding for crypto that's insured. So if you lose your money, it's insured. And then just overall entrepreneurship. We want people to be able to come in, make 100 grand plus, whatever it is in the crypto game, be able to, utilize that with Forex and make, 5, 10, 15% in a month on low risk, or possibly in a week. Whereas your bank account's going to give you 0.5%, if you're lucky, a year. Right. So just kind of going over all of these call outs so you guys can see, how in depth we get, and all the information that we provide. From start to finish, right? We'll provide updates. We'll provide, video status, of what the coin's doing. If there's a migration, things like that. There's a lot going on in this space, guys. And for you to have to try to figure everything out and try to do this for yourself, it's possible. However, we're doing all the heavy lifting for you guys. So all you have to do is be connected with DeFi defenders, and you're already starting out, way ahead of the curve, right? There's still some things that, you may want to learn yourself, and that's why we're going to have the educational part, right? We're going to have, what's the word I'm looking for? Strategies, different strategies, how to set up different wallets, protect yourself, but also, to have one for profit. We have a rule called PPR. So that's pull, pay, ride, right? So you're gonna pull out your initial investment, pay yourself, whether that be pay bills, pay into stuff, or to pull out additional profits to get into other projects, right? You don't want to keep on pulling money out of your bank account. You want to put money into it, or you want to keep it there and just keep this flowing, guys. So a lot of stuff to come. This is talking about the altcoin season. If this is foreign to you, that's fine. That's why we're here. Just let you know, guys, I've made well over 6 figures with this, and a lot of my stuff is down now from May. And if all that stuff goes back, not only to the all-time high, but goes higher, definitely sitting on over $1 million in the portfolio, guys. So this is something you guys can do. I didn't start with a lot of money. You can throw $5, $10, $20, have that rise up $200, $300, then, you know, take a portion of that, take 25, 30 bucks, 40 bucks from that, get into ones and grow your portfolio, guys. This is what we're all about. So yeah, what's this one? Baby Lancer. So we actually had an issue. So that's something else. We were very transparent. You know, sometimes, unfortunately, one slips through the cracks that you know, was unjust, or, you know, a rug pull or scam. Even after all the due diligence, we can't control what other people do. It is the Wild West, but our percentage for scams is very, very low compared to what other people are getting into. It's extremely low, guys. We take this very serious when we look over projects, and we want to make sure that, you know, there is you know, a whole a whole process to it, guys. So
wait. So we're gonna talk to DX, but when I say
this
D,
is some of our team.
D. When I say D.
All right, so we actually had one of our first events not too long ago, and we rented a really big like mini mansion. It was like 11 bedrooms, and we had everyone stay, and we were learning, trading, we were teaching. You know, so that's what's to come, and we're gonna have a lot of events. We're gonna be doing a lot of stuff. December 9th, we are gonna be back down in Delray Beach for another crypto convention. February 8th, we're gonna have a huge crypto convention at like a hotel where everyone can see. So yeah, guys, just wanted to go in here and show you guys the wins and show you guys what we're all about. You know, if you've been hesitant, you're like, well, I don't know what's going on. That's what we're here for. We're here to teach you. We have several members to help out with. We have an amazing community, people that literally will fight each other to help out someone. That's what our community is. It's a family vibe, guys. We're not here to, you know, to strong arm you or force you to do anything. We don't chase anyone. We simply provide information and value, and that value alone brings people. You know, so that's the way we go about things, guys. We have a lot in store, a lot of things that we want to get implemented. We're going to have our own tokens as well, and DX members will be able to get into the private sale, be whitelisted, and, you know, obviously for supporting us. So you know, let's see if we can find some of these other ones. 15x here, all-time high. 6x, 4x. We got right here, Comstar, which is one of the NSFW tokens that do fairly well. You can see these charts are just absolutely insane. It's crazy. We've been, you know, we've been doing this for a little while, and yeah, see, like right here, be cautious. So this one right here, honestly, I'm going to toss a very tiny bit, see what comes of it. But if it happens to go bad, I won't care. Do not take the chance unless you're willing. Think of it like buying a scratch off ticket. Either it's going to hit or you get nothing. LOL. So I saw something in this, and I gave it a 7.5, but then I noticed a few things that just were not lining up, and look what ended up happening. People would have lost their money. So again, it's as much as it is about making money, it's also about protecting you guys. That's where the defend and DeFi defenders comes in, right? And we're here, you know, for you guys. So where's Safe Vault? So Safe Vault was one of our huge calls. It was like a 40x. Scroll up here. Shout out my boy Andy. Andy's been making a bag, man. I needed to interview Andy, man. He's been aping in since the beginning, since I just started doing it, you know, in our messenger. He's definitely been aping in, guys. Going crazy. Safe Earn going parabolic. As you can see, all of these different 4 mil. So this was our 100x. It was in a day, 24 hours, guys. 100x in 24 hours. So that means if you put $100 in, you got 10K. You put $1,000 in, you got $100,000. It's crazy, right? Mini B&B. We got, you know, tons of stuff here, guys. You guys can join this. And it was Crypto C, so it was exclusively me. And I decided to form a team so that way we can help impact more people, vet more projects, find more projects, you know, do those types of things. So yeah, man, I'm gonna get back to it. I'm gonna go hang out with the fam that came down to learn in person. Just wanted to do a quick video. Figured it would be you know, a good time while we're waiting on everyone to get here. As you can see, these charts are just absolutely insane, and we're doing it before, so you can go through this whole Telegram and you can see that we're calling this out beforehand. and the results afterwards. It's not like we're saying, hey, this might happen or whatever. No, we're giving you the time to get in. We're giving you the style of contract it is, the score, information, the website, the Telegram, pretty much everything you need to make an informed decision and do your own research. You could base your research on us, what we do, but we recommend always going into your own, into your projects. Wherever you're going to put your money, make sure you put some thought into it and look into it. It was good, Jarrell. So one of the educators just got here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and hop off of here. I just wanted to show you guys some of the value that we're providing on this front. Hopefully you guys can see us at one of the events that we're going to be doing. But nevertheless, look forward to seeing you guys inside.